Hey everybody, this is Gabriel from AceVacuums in Fairfax, Virginia. On today's video, we are going to be talking about Simplicity's Spiffy. This is a compact, upright, portable vacuum cleaner that comes with an ergonomically designed handle that's made of quality plastic for a sturdy and a comfortable grip, as you can see. And you have an extension of the handle so that you can vacuum your bare floors and area rugs at just the ease without bending or stressing yourself. And it's easy to carry up the stairs. You can vacuum on the stairs because it's just lightweight, weighing just 7 pounds. It comes with a powerful motor of 8.5 amps, comes with an on and off switch just at your fingertip on the body of the vacuum. It's a 2-speed variable. Here it is, on and off. And let's talk about some of the other features, like it comes with a 30-foot power cord, comes with a plastic hook. It has an onboard crevice. There it is. Let me show you how to empty the bin on this vacuum. Just press this release button here and you take this out of the bin. That's it. You have your pre-filter here, which is washable. You can just take this out, clean it, clean the bin. You can just put it back. There you go. And there is the button to unlock your bin. Just opens that way. If you want to completely clean it, you can just take out this head and you open the bin and clean it. So very easy to clean. Very comfortable bagless vacuum, and you have this attachment crevice. You can put this attachment here and you can reach out to your crevice and cracks with easy maneuverability. So, and it comes with a HEPA filter, as you can see here. Yes, that's how you remove it. It's easy to put it back. And talking about the head, it comes with a squeegee for your bare floors. It comes with 2 rear wheels for great maneuverability. It comes with small wheels on the front so that it just slides on your area rugs and bare floors. So that's pretty much about this simple yet powerful vacuum from Simplicity that picks up dust in a jiffy. That's Spiffy for you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.